Roshni, tell me about this skin analyzer. I was completely blown away. I've never seen anything like it. Was it real?
It's interesting because, like, we may be, I don't know, 45, 50s, whatever we are, right?
Yeah.
But our skin age is not that same age.
Correct.
That is our biological age.
That's another thing I noticed. Just Human recommended other products to me. What's with that? Why didn't you recommend? I would think since you've come up with this software, you'd recommend your own product. But I got a whole bunch of products by other companies. So I was quite surprised. And I think it was because of that it became more believable to me that, okay, you are interested in my skin, not promoting just your product.
But here's the thing. So I think us as a company, Just Human as a company, we've always believed in being authentic. We want to be our consumer's best friend. How can we do that if we just suggest everything on our plate, but nothing other than that? So what we do is we try to curate the best products across companies. And that's why we recommend it. Because if our product is not great for you, that doesn't mean that you're not my consumer still. You are my consumer, but I will recommend maybe something else. Maybe you'll come back to me for something else that you need, right?
Yeah. But don't you think that's another thing that I feel girls today, even when we all know that your skin ages backwards post 25, right? So, but the thing is that I think everyone relates skin to age. Is that a misconception?
Well, biological age is not chronological age, right? Chronological age is our birthday. Biological age is genetics, physical activity, everything that we do.
So explain that to me. Like, I think the users out there need to understand is that, oh, you look so good for your age, your skin is so good for your age, but you can also be, like, I'm 49, but you can also be 40 and have more skin than me. Or you could be 55 and have better skin than me.
Absolutely.
Correct?
Yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
So it's all about what you use and what you consume and actually how you take care of your skin. Of course, genetics plays part. I know that.
It does. But so does your diet. So does everything, your fitness levels. It could be your supplementation. It's a whole host of things. Sun exposure.
Yeah.
Your stress levels, environment. So, I mean, all of these things, like, the idea of meditating, I mean, don't just do it for your body and health, also do it for your skin, right?
Yeah.
Because everything is having an impact. Like, our chronological age doesn't have that much significance on our skin age. But our biological age, what's happening inside, will have a relationship, right?
Good.
So, if your biological age is younger, chances are your skin is going to look much younger. Right?
Interesting.
And that age actually is defined as something really crazy. It's something called a telomere.
Oh, what's that?
Telomere is these things that sort of attach at the bottom of a chromosome. So it stops the chromosome from fraying. So when a telomere is long, which is when you are younger, it is really protective. As you grow older, it shortens.
Oh,
And so when we measure biological age, most people, you will measure the telomere.
okay.
And they will know what your biological age is. And so your skin age will not be that far away from the biological age.
Okay. That's damn interesting.
So it's kind of crazy, but I think the whole idea is that you have to be preventative, right, Seema? I mean, your skin is gorgeous, right? And I think it doesn't become gorgeous because you decided to pick a product at the
Not for at all. Yeah.
You've looked after your skin. You've looked after your nutrition. I mean, I've seen the way you, God damn it, works out, right?
No, but actually, it's so true. It's your skin, what you are on the inside is what shows on the outside. I've always believed that, especially there are times in your life when you're down, when you're unhappy or you're not healthy. Healthy doesn't just mean what you're consuming, what you're applying. It's how you are, how you're living your life, the choices you're making. I just feel that all of that also kind of adds to how you look on the outside and how your skin behaves. And I think the micro shots for me actually has been a game changer. Seriously, I mean, the first time I put it on, I was like, holy shit. I said, this thing is stinging. What is it doing to my skin? Am I on fire? Is it burning it to a crisp? Is it going to become finer? I was very afraid. And then I was going through that phase, when I was getting these spots and it was very uneven. And I just felt like I used it without thinking so much about it, to be honest.
Yeah.
I wasn't really thinking about it so much. I just said, okay, let me try another product. And I said, whoops, after a month or two, actually my sister turned around and said that, you know what, your skin is looking better. I'm like, and she is very, very, very conjuice with her compliments. Very especially for me, that was like, whoa. what just happened here? Did you have a happy pill or something? I was like, I had to put it down to that, to the micro shots. And you know, I'm religious with it now. By the way, I now use it every alternate day. I worked my way up from twice a week to now every alternate day, and I can't do without it. I have one at my mom's house. I have one at mine. Like, I have one in my bag. Even if I'm at a sleepover, I will be using my micro shots. That's why when I looked at the skin analyzer also, I was like, they gave me, it broke it down for me so beautifully.
Yeah.
That I can't believe that someone like me who is so obsessed had overlooked that part and think that I need something for translucency. Like, I always thought it was a concealer.
Yeah.
But it's not. You can actually get you have to use the correct product. Right?
Yeah.
So, game changer yet again.
No. So, I mean, we hope the science of neurocosmetics, you're using microshots.
Yes.
So that whole, so I think there's that other version to this that we try to make you feel good, along with that whole look good, which is also sort of comes up in your skin in so many different ways. So I hope a measure of all of that, and makes us so proud that you actually love our product. Seema,
Oh, I really-
really makes us proud.
I really,
Just,
it's the first time I've actually connected with a brand that I feel is concerned about me. Like, it's so personal and it's so authentic, because you walk into any cosmetic brand and of course, you know, everyone is a salesperson there and is willing to sell that to you like you're using the it cream.
yeah.
But you know, the approach with Just Human was not that for me. And I noticed that, and when I started using it, like I said, on a whim, but it's the authenticity of the brand, and the skin analyzer actually just reinforced that what I already felt about it, that I was expecting to get a whole bunch of Just Human products to use. And I was recommended so many different products that I was like, oh my God, they're not selling their brand. They're actually concerned about, you know, it's authentic. It's about your skin and what you need.
Yeah.
So thank you for that. The product is exceptional.
Thank you. So, I mean, this for us is such a big moment. We wanted to create something for women over 40.
Yeah.
Not just an anti-aging product, which is quite sad because you just don't know who it targets. And I'm so glad because it's all women in their 40s and 50s that we're getting this feedback from. Coming from you, that's a whole other game for us as well. So thank
I have
you.
to, but I also have to tell you girls out there that, you know, it doesn't matter what age you are, even if you're in your 30s or you're in your 20s, use the skin analyzer, because like she said, the chronological age and the biological age is very different. And start looking after your skin, because you will thank yourself for that later. And girls, all you need to do is click on the link, take a picture exactly like how you do on your iPhone or any of your phones, and the app does the work for you. You don't have to download anything. It's not a long process. It's literally a touch of your finger, and it will give you a complete breakdown of what your skin needs. What is your chronological age, the biological age, what are the issues with your skin, and not just the bad stuff, it also gives you the good stuff. So enjoy. Come up with this.
The skin analyzer.
Skin analyzer. How did you figure this? How did you think of it?
So, one, I'm a massive techie,
Oh,
science,
wow.
crazy kind of science person.
Clearly.
But I'm fascinated with AI, right? And I know the world is going there. And personalization is the next big leap that we will take, whether it's in our health or our skincare or anything.
True.
Right?
Very true.
So yeah, I noticed like a lot of people, like whether, I don't know whether you use it or not, but I do. You use ChatGPT, Claude, any of these sort of platforms, right? People will put in like, what should I use for this. It's sort of spitting out, this is what you should use, or blah, blah, blah. Right?
Yeah. Pretty generic.
Pretty generic.
Yeah.
And it really depends on the sort of prompting that you're doing. Right?
Correct.
So if you don't prompt for
Correct.
it.
The words you're using. You're absolutely right.
Correct. So I was like, what the hell? Why should we not try to create something which is, you know, can we have a software? And of course, this is not our software. We've reached out to a company and we've got that software. And we said, where you can have a more personalized view of what your skin is actually requiring. And that's why the photo is reading. The AI is reading your skin. It's kind of mapping it against all the data that it has. And it's got hundreds of points of data that it's looking at. So it's not like, that's what AI is built on. It's built on, you know, previous information and data.
Yeah,
Right? That's what
correct.
makes it so good.
Correct. That's why it's so personalized, because you use any AI software and what you're getting is maybe what somebody else is also getting it. You don't know. I mean, everything is so generic, but the photo, that's what makes it personalized. And that's why, and you know, honestly, you can actually compare it. Try it with a friend, try it with a girlfriend, or try it with even a guy. Just try it with anyone and see whether the results you and him get are the same or not. And there, that'll be your answer.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that will be your answer. The authenticity of Just Human Skin Analyzer. Go find it. So, Roshni, tell me about this. The difference between slow beauty and fast beauty. This nowadays everyone's talking about that, right? Like what is slow beauty versus fast beauty?
So it's strange, but I think slow beauty has existed for a long, long time, and it is always associated with like natural, organic, vegan, because it takes X amount of time. Fast beauty is something that I was really driven around, and I wanted to build our platform, or Just Human, around fast beauty, but clean and fast.
Because that clean being the operative word, explain that.
Right, because people assume that when it is fast, it's got tons of chemical in it.
Correct.
And that's not what we are. Because as a woman in menopause, and I was developing this, I was like, God, I need something to work quickly for me.
Yeah.
Like it was also for me, right?
Correct.
So I was like, so how do I make it clean and fast? And the fastest, so we are 85% to 90% natural. But the 10-15% will be synthetics, but we define that by looking at the California Prop 65 list, which is got like 900 banned items.
Okay.
We will not use any of those items. So no endocrine disruptors, no carcinogenics, nothing toxic. But yet peptides and very strong actives to deliver that clean plus fast.
Wow.
Otherwise, we are at slow.
So now we know why Just Human works, and there you have it from the founder of Just Human, straight from the horse's mouth.